Hey guys, I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today, informing you of everything you want and need to know about affiliate marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you the 8 new Digistore24 products to promote for April 2022. Because whether you're getting started as an affiliate marketer or looking for new products to promote to scale your affiliate revenue, there are hundreds of new affiliate products being released every month. Digistore24 is one of the many affiliate networks for you to find affiliate products, and they have hundreds of different products in many different niches. As of April, Digistore24 had these 8 new top-selling products for you to make affiliate commissions. If you need help getting started with Digistore24, check out our Digistore24 Beginner's Guide video. Kim will show you exactly how to get started and make money online with Digistore24. Keep watching, and I'll put a link to this video at the top right a little bit later for you, along with other helpful videos to help you in your affiliate marketing journey. Also, be sure to check our link below for instant access to training that's unlike any you've ever seen before. You'll learn the truth why you have been failing online and what you need to do to change your future. So if succeeding with affiliate marketing interests you, then grab our free training today. And if you find value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know when our next video comes out, and comment below if you have any questions. We'll be happy to help you as soon as we can. Now, here are 8 new Digistore24 products to promote from April 2022. One important note before I get into this list, please know that these numbers are subject to change without prior notice. These numbers will fluctuate every day as more people buy these products on Digistore24. So don't worry if these numbers look a little bit different to the numbers you see when you get in there to check out these products. That just means they've made some sales. These top 8 new products on Digistore24 have this in common. All top products are in the top 4 niches: health, wealth, relationships, and digital software. All products are in trending sub-niches and topics right now. Top Digistore24 product number 8. Soulmate Sketch. Soulmate Sketch targets people who are looking for their soulmate. This product offers a psychic love reading with a sketch of your soon-to-be soulmate for those looking for love. This product is in the dating, love, and relationship niche. The affiliate commission for Soul Sketch is 60%. The cart conversion is currently converting at 9%. The average price per sale is $36. The average affiliate commission earnings per sale is $19.88. The product is currently number 3 in dating, love, and relationship category. And the cancellation rate is 8.7%. One thing to note is these are really close. Your cart conversion is 9% and your cancellation rate is 8.7%. What that means when they're that close is there are just as many people buying this product as there are canceling this product. So be careful with a number like that. Soulmate Sketch does have an affiliate page, and their affiliate page does have email swipes, banners, videos, and landing pages to help you promote Soulmate Sketch as an affiliate. And the topics of relationships is a consistently trending topic, as is soulmate. And this top-selling product on Digistore24 is capitalizing on those consistent trends. Top Digistore24 product number 7. The Water Liberty Guide. The Water Liberty Guide targets people who have a need for clean, fresh water. This product provides an automated supply of fresh, high-quality clean water so you can survive and thrive in any water crisis. This product is in the health and survival niche. The affiliate commission for Water Liberty Guide is 75%. The cart conversion is currently converting at 19%. The average price per sale is $39. The average affiliate commission earnings per sale is $27. This product is currently ranking number 5 in the survival category, and the cancellation rate is 8.5%. These metrics are going to be good because this cart conversion rate is almost double the cancellation rate. So that means the people that are buying this product are keeping it. The Water Liberty Guide does have an affiliate JV page with resources to help you promote this as an affiliate. And this affiliate page has email swipes and banners to help you promote the Water Liberty Guide as an affiliate. And the topic of survival supplies often goes up and down. It's not quite a consistent trend. But if we look specifically at clean water, you can see that one is much more consistent over time. And this top-selling product on Digistore24 is capitalizing on those consistent trends. Top Digistore24 product number 6, the Keto Advantage. Keto Advantage targets people who want help with their keto diet. This product is a keto weight support supplement with 8-HB ketones to help you burn fat, not carbs. This product is in the health and diet niche. The affiliate commission for Keto Advantage is 75%. The average price per sale is $131, and the average affiliate commission earnings per sale is $85. Now, the lack of cart conversion and cancellation rate on this page could be due to a variety of reasons. There could just be no sales made yet, so there's nothing to report. Or the vendor didn't actually set up their pages through the provided Digistore24 pages, so there's no tracking and it can't be reported. Either way, I personally would suggest if you're picking one of these products to do just a little bit more research before promoting this product. You can even go so far as to reach out for support on the product and just ask them their metrics. They're usually happy to share them with you. The Keto Advantage does have a JV affiliate support page with resources to help you promote this as an affiliate. The affiliate page does have email swipes to help you promote Keto Advantage. And the topics of ketones are a consistently trending topic, as is the keto diet niche. And this top-selling product on Digistore24 is capitalizing on those consistent trends. Top Digistore24 product number 5, the Early Bird Morning Cocktail. The Early Bird Morning Cocktail targets people who need help waking up with energy in the morning. This product gives you the ability to instantly wake up with a boost of energy, hydration, and motivation. This product is in the supplements niche, which also falls under health. The affiliate commission for Early Bird Morning Cocktail is 50%. The cart conversion is currently converting at 11%. The average price per sale is $89, and the average affiliate commission earnings per sale is $33. The product is currently the number 32 product in supplements, and the current cancellation rate is 0%. With this product only being 13 weeks old, that cancellation rate of 0% is really, really good. This is definitely one I would look into, but know that that can always change. Early Bird Morning Cocktail does have an affiliate JV page with resources to help you promote this as an affiliate. This affiliate page has email swipes to help you promote Early Bird Morning Cocktail as an affiliate. And the topic of waking up is definitely always on a good trend, and energy supplements can rise and fall a bit. And this top-selling product on Digistore24 is capitalizing on those consistent trends. Top Digistore24 product number 4, the 30-day podcast launch course. The 30-day podcast launch course targets people who want to start their own podcast. This product is an online course and toolkit to build and launch your podcast in as little as 30 days. This product is in the digital software niche. The affiliate commission for 30-day podcast launch course is 90%. The average price per sale is $104, and the average affiliate commission earnings per sale is $23. The 30-day launch podcast course does have an affiliate JV page, but there are no resources on here to date. So you will need to figure out how to promote this product on your own or reach out to the vendor for resources. And while the topic of how to record a podcast is consistently up and down, podcasting does tend to stay a little bit more stable. And this top-selling product on Digistore24 is capitalizing on those consistent trends. Top Digistore24 product number 3, Keto40. Keto40 targets people who need help kickstarting weight loss on a keto diet. The product is a comprehensive program to help you lose weight, gain energy, improve productivity, feel amazing in just 40 short days. It comes with daily keto bits, workout videos, and accountability support. It is a 6-week plan with a quick start guide and several bonuses to keep you going on your way. This product is in the health and wellness niche. The affiliate commission for Keto40 is 90%. The average price per sale is $42.11. The average affiliate commission earnings per sale is 0. Now, because there's no cart conversion or cancellation rate down here, we don't know if those metrics aren't there just because there hasn't been a sale made, or if it's because they didn't use Digistore24's tracking, in which case it can't be reported. Now, 90% of $42.11 is going to be $37.90, but that will vary depending on if there are any upsells in the Keto40 program. So again, that is something that I would reach out to the creator or support about. Keto40 does have a JV affiliate page with resources to help you promote this as an affiliate. The affiliate page does have email swipes to help you promote the Keto40 program as an affiliate. And the topic of keto has been a really hot topic recently, as well as the keto diet. And this top selling product on Digistore24 is capitalizing on those consistent trends. Top Digistore24 product number 2, Feminine Frequency. Feminine Frequency targets women who want training on money matters. This product helps your female customers build new empowering beliefs around money. It was created by a certified hypnotherapist and professionally mixed. This product is in the wealth and software niche. The affiliate commissions for Feminine Frequency is at 75%. The average price per sale is $28, and the average affiliate commission earnings per sale is $18. Feminine Frequency does have an affiliate JV page. However, there are no resources within this page to help you promote this as an affiliate. You will need to figure out how to promote Feminine Frequency on your own. And the topic of finance is a consistently trending topic, and women's finance is a little bit more up and down. Either way, this top selling product on Digistore24 is capitalizing on those consistent trends. And we finally make it to top Digistore24 product number 1, Click Designs. Click Designs targets people who need or use design software. This product is a graphic design software solution for graphics, social media, videos, e-com, digital products, software, and offline marketing lists. This product is in the software niche, and the affiliate commissions for Click Designs is 50%. The cart conversion is currently converting at 7%, and the average price per sale is $74. The average affiliate commission earnings per sale is $32, and this product is currently in the number 1 spot for the software category, with a cancellation rate of 3.3%. Click Designs does have a JV affiliate page with resources to help you promote this as an affiliate. Click Designs affiliate page has email swipes, videos, banners, and graphics to help you promote Click Designs as an affiliate. And the topic of computer graphics is a consistently trending topic, as is video graphics. And this top selling product on Digistore24 is capitalizing on those consistent trends. Now that's your list of 8 new top Digistore24 products to promote from April 2020. As promised, here is your tip to get to see these products for yourself. It's really super easy because you don't need to be logged in to see this list. Simply go to digistore24.com/marketplace, and the Digistore24 products are automatically filtered to be the best-selling products on Digistore24 at that time. When you find a product you want to promote, then yes, you do need to have an account and sign in. And if you need steps on how to do that, be sure to check out the complete Digistore24 Beginner's Guide video, where Kim shows you exactly how to set up your account the right way so you can get paid. If you want help with how to do affiliate marketing the right way, be sure to grab our free training from the link below. It's the type of training you have not seen before. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when our next video comes out. And save this playlist to your channel and share it with your friends. Be sure to let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.